cool and comforting in such a short time as compared to other ACs?
It's Viraat, the revolutionary new technology introduced by LG.
What is this LG Viraat?
With LG Viraat, the AC can run at a higher cooling capacity, to be precise at 110%, and that too without any time limit, to provide instant cooling.
Wow, that sounds so cool.
Yes, LG Viraat's instant cooling for maximum user comfort with no time limit is a big advantage for quick relief during the hottest of the days. Not just that, it has 2 times faster vertical swing for uniform airflow in the room.
It just keeps getting better, doesn't it? Now leave it to LG Dual Cool Inverter AC to keep us cool throughout the super hot summers.
LG Dual Cool Air Conditioner.
Life's good!